I spend most of my time traveling for work as an engineer. Airports, flights, opening my laptop wherever I can. But during my free time, I started learning a skill that anyone can start from anywhere. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works. If you are new here, my name is Cesar, I work as a chemical engineer and I travel a lot for work, but instead of wasting my free time, I started learning online skills. And one of the first things I explored was Amazon affiliate marketing. So, what is Amazon affiliate? It's a program where you can recommend products and get a unique link for each one. When someone uses your link, Amazon tracks it, and that's it. You don't need to create products, you don't need to deal with shipping, and you don't need to handle customers. Amazon already built everything. Step one is simple. Go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Create a free account. They'll ask you where you plan to share your links and what type of content you create. Once you are approved, you can start generating your links. Now, this next step is very important. Don't try to promote everything. Pick one category. It could be tech, travel gear, fitness, or productivity. In my case, I focus on things I actually use while traveling and working. My laptop, my backpack, tools that I use on a daily basis. That makes everything feel more natural and easier to talk about. Now, this is where everything happens. You don't just drop links, you create content around the product. For example, you can make videos like what I use as an engineer while traveling if you are an engineer, or best laptop for working remotely, or my travel setup. You can post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and then place your Amazon link in the description. This next part is key. Most people quit too early. I usually record clips while I'm traveling, at the airport, in a hotel, or late at night after work. And little by little, you start improving. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Once your content is out there, people can find it. If they're interested in the product, they can check your link and everything happens inside Amazon. If you've been thinking about starting something online, this is one of the simplest ways to begin. No complicated setup, no advanced skills required, just start learning and start creating. And if you found this helpful, subscribe and I'll share more of my journey working a 9 to 5 and building skills on the side. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.